Another quick unboxing today. Mitsubishi Lancer Celeste from the same series as the RX-7, the Matchbox 70 years, the Japanese series, in fact. So my camera's overheating, so let's just get through it pretty fast. Cover is super nice, and again the bonnet opens, as you can see here. The wrapping paper, standard. Wow, I love the color. The color is really age appropriate. I like that. Hot Wheels could never. Okay. Details wise, they're really on point actually. I mean, after all, you paid $15. Shiny chrome base, I quite like that. The wheels are quite fitting for the car, but to me they look a bit cheap. Front details are good. I don't see any like proper missing details. Maybe just the side that I'll have to detail out, and the vents here. Open the bonnet. Wow, painted. That's nice. Really a very premium feel, except the fact that they used the standard Matchbox rims. I think it cheapens it a little bit. But everything else, this model is really good. I think, I mean, it's definitely worth more, but I wouldn't say $15 versus what you can get. The normal Matchbox about $4 in Singapore. So there's a price difference of at least 4 times or close to 4 times. I don't think that's justified. But if you're looking for a car like this to fill your collection with, like you want to collect every single Mitsubishi Lancers, I think this is one you should aim for. If you don't want to buy those really expensive TVLNs or older Tomicas, because those are still quite high in value, and they're probably, some of them are the only models for Japanese vehicles, and especially really in the West, they are really hard to find, and everything you buy will be coming out of Asia. I'm lucky enough to live in Asia, but TVLNs are still out of my budget. The old stuff is, the value is still being held. Would I recommend this? As I said, if you're looking for something similar. Otherwise, I'll rate this. I mean, it's not exactly my type of car, to be honest, but I'll rate this about 7 out of 10. 7.5, in fact, 7.5 out of 10. It's just being put down by the price, and the wheels really make it look very cheap. Everything else is perfect. I love this casting. I don't know if I want to collect everything because some of the cars are like Mazda CX-30s. I'm not too keen. But this CX-30, the one with the hybrid one with the rotary engine, that one with the suicide doors, I'm not too keen on those. But if they make more classic ones like this in this type of series, I'll consider. The details are way more than I thought. Yeah, that's about it. See you next one. Goodbye.